Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the Move 221 Lakeway Lane, Apollo Beach. This island walk home was built by Pulte Homes and features the popular ride-to floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,682 square feet of living space. The home has been well maintained and offers a comfortable, split-bedroom layout with vaulted ceilings and an open living and dining area that leads directly to the screened-in, solar-heated pool. The backyard is oversized and fully fenced, offering privacy and even space to secure a boat or RV through the wide double gate. Western exposure means you can enjoy sunsets by the pool every evening. The kitchen includes granite countertops, light bright cabinets, a breakfast bar, and newer stainless steel appliances. Flooring has been upgraded throughout, with travertine tile in the main living areas and hardwood flooring in the primary bedroom. Both bathrooms have been nicely updated. The roof was replaced in 2016, and in 2021, the home received new kitchen appliances, air conditioner system, pool pump, pool solar panels, and a water softener. New pool heater 2023. The Island Walk community is a small, well-kept neighborhood of about 45 homes with low HOA fees, no CDD, and a relaxed atmosphere. It also includes a first-come, first-served community dock and fishing pier with access to Tampa Bay. Located just off Apollo Beach Boulevard.